Okay guys, I am on my way to the gym.
Later in this video.
And funny enough, this place is actually in a very large and kind of nice hotel. So basically, my gym is inside of this hotel. You can kind of see it off in the distance over here. And this is where I'm going. To get there, every time I have to pass through this mess. Look at this. Here I go. Always good to raise your arms so people don't crash into you. Next, I'm going down this walk. When I finally get to the hotel, I will check back in with you. Now, you might remember this place from the conference that I went to in one of my other videos, but this is it. This is where my gym is located. It's inside of here. So come on, let's go. Uh-oh, don't want to go through there. Over the river and through the woods to grandmother's house we go. Okay, I'll be back. I'll show you this other place. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the entryway. And I'm going up. Oh, it blasted me. But I'm going to show you guys this place. And yeah, it's really quite interesting. And here it is. This is, hi, how are you? So this is it. At the end of this journey will be my gym, but to get there, I've got to go through here. It's luxurious. They're very nice here. They always say hello to me. Very friendly. See that? And then I go to the gym. It's so strange that you would think that there is a gym in this luxurious hotel and ballroom. See the people? They also have conference here. That's where I did the initial video on the tourism conference. It was at the end of this hallway. But we're actually going down into a different part of the hotel. But it's pretty, right? Wow. It's nice. I like it here. I think this place is for I don't want to say an aristocratic people or well-off people, but I do think that some very wealthy people are here. Sorry, I didn't mean to jump in. Walk right in front of that person's stuff. So it looks like there's another event going on here today. Let's see what it is real quick. They might run me off. This guy looks tough. Hi. What is the event here today? What is that? Is that like a?
It's like international band.
Oh. So we have an international band here today, but that's not why I came. I came to work out. So I'll show you guys the gym. Come on, let's go. We still going down. Going all the way down. All the way down. Hello. Sometimes I don't know if they're gonna stop me or what they're gonna do. So you just never know in the Philippines. But we're all the way down here, and guess what? Now we're at the end, and this is the gym I was telling you guys about. Sometimes the staff are very friendly to me, and other times they're quite rude to me here. So I never know what version I'm gonna get. Oh, hello! This one right here. She's smiling, she's laughing. So I won't take. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys the inside of the gym in just a minute, but I'll pause right here for a second, and then I'll show you what you get if you come to a gym here in the Philippines. Okay, now the moment of truth. I've finally gotten into the gym that I'm at. This is the gym that I work out at while I'm staying here in Cebu. There's actually two. I think I showed you some other ones in some shorts, but I like this one also because it's a little bit cooler. Hopefully you guys hear that. It's a little bit cooler than the other gyms. The aircon is better, but you can see they have everything you need for a decent workout. And right now it's a little bit slow because it's Saturday and people don't like to work out on Saturday. In a little bit I'll be on one of these guys trying to lose the fat. I've noticed that right here and right here I'm porking out a little bit, friends, but some of it's muscle. Some of it is muscle. But you see, got all the trinkets that you need. If you're wondering, this gym is called City Gym, and the people here are pretty friendly, but this is the thing that I really like a lot. And I'm gonna do a short in a little bit because I wanna show you guys this. It's pretty nice. It's fun. But that's not all. They have these side rooms where they do some different kinds of workouts. They'll roll these bikes out. You can get into the bike class. And more of a private area back here. If you don't like all the razzle and dazzle in the front, you can come back here on this side and get yourself some privacy in your workout. And if you need to, you can maybe you can get a massage from one of the physical therapists. Not a massage. She's not a massage. What do you do?
Like do your rehab and all.
Yeah.
Help you move.
Yeah. So if you come to this gym, then you can find some help. People will help you. They're quite friendly. But there are masseuses that work here too somewhere. Anyways, guys, so that's the gym. You come to Cebu near IT Park, then you can experience one of these kind of gyms. This one's called City Gym, and it's at the Waterfront Hotel and Resort. And I hope you enjoyed this little tour, and I'll see you again soon.
Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and subscribe, and like, and share.